How old are you turning?
16.
Are you excited?
Very much.
She does.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom. Look who's getting dressed. And
I'm gonna give your camera the
so who is this? This is Kara.
Oh my gosh, you're recording this.
And Devin. And
I'm
Sarah.
so pink right now.
Don't they look adorable?
Get out!
Ah!
Born to be wild. Born to be wild.
It's funny. Just keep going, keep going. I'm running out of better.
I love Brad. Len. He's so awesome. He's just like my hero. Okay.
Dude, that's our normal.
I ran out of helium. I need give me another balloon now. I want a balloon. Give me the balloon. I want another balloon.
What's your name of your trophy?
Like big ups and I cannot lie. You can't do that. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get
Feelings.